I was recently in London and spent some time at the Samsung Experience, one of three in the world. It's a fantastic Samsung store where you can play with their latest tech, but you can't buy anything. Past the impressive wall of TVs, a very cool concept car, the Galaxy Fold that you can hold, and a smart kitchen was the holy grail. It was the closet of the future. Gone is the bag of dry cleaning just sitting on the floor. Instead, there's the Samsung Air Dresser, a little closet for your closet that works like this. You hang up your dirty clothes, your shirts, dress pants, sweaters, and delicates inside of it. Close the door, press a few buttons, and like magic, clean clothes. It takes up little space, and you don't need a water line to install one. This sounds great, doesn't it? All right, now the bad news. You can only put 3 garments in at a time. What's worse is that let's say it costs you $4 to dry clean a shirt. Doing the math, you'd have to dry clean 350 shirts to break even. The Air Dresser costs $1,400 US. You really can't afford this tech unless you're pressed for time. All right, keep your tech know-how going the easy way. Find your local radio station that broadcasts my show, along with more DIY how-tos, tips, videos. We have free alerts delivered from me to your email address, along with the Komando community, where you can blog. You can ask all your tech questions on our website without anyone tracking you, by the way. And it's komando.com, and thanks so much for watching. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.